When most people think of physical therapy, they think of exercises after surgery or injury. But physical therapy at LifeWorks goes much deeper than that. See, physical therapy restores how your body moves, functions, and performs, addressing the muscle imbalances, the structural weaknesses that create pain and limit mobility. Here's something that most people don't realize: pain is often not where the problem actually is. So, your knee hurts, but the real issue might be a weakness in your pelvis or your hips or your low back. Your back aches, but the cause might be poor core that's built up over the years. One of the biggest mistakes that I see people do is they go to the gym thinking that they're getting the same benefits as physical therapy. See, a gym can't measure your movement objectively or identify the micro dysfunctional movement patterns that are subtly compensating over time and silently causing you to break down. See, dysfunction doesn't always present as pain. You can have significant movement dysfunctions and feel nothing until one day you do, because untreated dysfunction leads to arthritic joint breakdown, cartilage wear and tear, and the kind of chronic damage that eventually requires surgery. See, here at LifeWorks, our physical therapists perform comprehensive functional movement assessments built and personalized specifically for you and for your needs. And they measure the progress regularly to progress your care. Our physical therapists work directly alongside of our chiropractors, our nurse practitioners, and our functional medicine team, coordinating your care as one unified plan, because your body functions as a whole, and your treatment should also reflect that.